Alright, so after inserting the reviews, I want to go ahead and display the reviews right here in the home page. So if we look down, we will see this section where we can simply display the reviews. So we want to just see what basically is the controller that displays the home page. So if I go right here to home controller, as you can see down at the bottom, this is the index function that we need to display. That we need to set our reviews here, and we need to go ahead and display them in the home page. All right, so I'm just gonna go reviews like that, and I'm gonna make this so it will go, so it will grab it from the review and from the review model, and I'm gonna go select. Well, actually, we can just copy this. All right, so yeah, I guess that all of this is fine. So I'm just gonna save this. I'm gonna go ahead right here, and I'm gonna paste this in and save. Let's now go to the home page. Let's go to resources. Let's go to views, and there is the home page right there. Let's go down at the bottom. Yeah, so there is the testimony part, and it's simply right there. So we will only need like one of these divs, and we can simply delete the others. All right, so can now delete those. Let's see, let's go down here, and if we just go for each reviews as review, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut this div and paste like that. And if we go ahead and copy this review, so there is the review right there. Let's go ahead and delete this. If we paste this in, and we will just grab the review column like that. All right, right after this, we have the image. We're not going to display any kind of image, so let me just go ahead and comment this whole div. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to display the name right here. So I'm just going to go name like that and basically save this. All right, so let's now see. This will refresh automatically. All right. So just going to take a second because I just opened up my Chrome. All right, so this is a bit ridiculous, Let me go ahead and refresh this again. In the next couple of videos, we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to clean up some things, All right, so we have an error. All right, so I guess that I know where this is coming from. If we copy the review right here and we paste this in, I simply need to go ahead and include my review model so I can actually use it. So now let's go ahead and refresh once again. All right, so now it's refreshing, then the error is gone. If we go down at the bottom, you will see that we have our let's see, we have our review down there, but it looks a bit weird. It's taking all of the part right here. So call LG blah blah blah. I guess that we need to keep this call MD. That's fine. Let's actually try to go ahead and create another review, and let's see how is this gonna go down. All right, so I want to go ahead and I want to create another review. All right, so go to your table reviews right there, and I want to go ahead and I want to click copy. All right, so there we go. Now we can keep everything the same. That's totally fine. But if we now click like that. And if we refresh, we go down. All right, so there we go. The more you add, the more basically the more the design will be fixed basically. All right, so if I click once again, now let's refresh this. All right, so there we go. So yeah, this will be it. Actually, I want to go ahead down at the bottom. Let's see, and I want to actually remove this part, this span. We're not gonna add any like positions or titles. So yeah, just the name and the review like that. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you on the next video.